start off our example, I have created a this document and I have gone ahead and added some header, an article, and given it some basic structure for us to put a recipe for here for hot cocoa. So now we can focus on creating those lists. Go ahead and expand the ingredients here. So I'm going to use here unordered list to add ingredients. For unordered list we will be use ol tag ul tag. This is stands for unordered list, and inside unordered list always we use list item like li, and this is stands for list items. So for now I have some code related to ingredients to speed up things. So I'm going to copy from here and then I will be paste it here. And when I have done these ingredients, so now I am going to move forward our steps. For steps there always need some order, so I'm going to use here ordered list, which stands for ol. Inside ordered list we again will be used ordered list items. So for list item steps I have some more steps here which I'm going to copy from here, and then again I will be paste here. So now let's go ahead and save this document and then see how it renders in the browsers. You will notice that for the ingredients we have an indented and bulleted list items because the order doesn't matter. There is no indication of order, but the order of the items still does appear as we get in the source documents. For the steps we get a numbered list, and that's really that semantic difference between an unordered list and ordered list. And again they are going to appear in that order we put them in that list, but here they provide that context that these things needs to happen in a particular sequence.